In this video, I will show you how to add sizes on your Big Cartel. First, you need to log into your Big Cartel account. Then go to Products once in. Now select the one that you want to add sizes into. After that, go to Description. And here you can add your sizes like extra small, small, medium, and large. After that, scroll down until you're in the variant section. Here you need to add a variant. First, add in your first size, which is extra small. Add another one for your second size, which is small. Then add another for third, for medium, then for last one is large. After that, you can also change the price for each sizes. Then just click on Save once done. Now your product is updated, so go back to your account, scroll down, and preview your shop. Now if you click on your product, you will see the sizes that you made earlier, both in the description and the variants. And that's it. That's how you add sizes in Big Cartel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.